I'm Steve, and this is CC Garage. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Well, we got the Cummins in the shop today, and we are going to be installing a B&D ram in horn, or air ram, I guess. I don't know. You can see the factory one right here looks pretty restrictive compared to this. You got a nice gentle flow. Instead of having, you're gonna have turbulence here, and just more volume in general. So pretty big. So we're gonna start out by 10 millimeter for the dipstick, and then these 4 bolts are all 10 millimeter. So let's get that. I don't know why I'm using a ratchet when I got all my power tools. Old habits die hard, right? And we're gonna need a depot for that. Just a regular wrench, a 9/16, or yeah, 7/16. With everything loosened up, all your bolts out, should be able to just grab it, pull it out. Easier with 2 hands. Now we can get a little bit better comparison of them side by side. A little bit of a size difference. But you can kind of see that's all really nice radius in there on the aftermarket. The factory one, it's got a radius, but it actually chokes down from the inlet. So let's go ahead and throw this one on. I just found easier was to slide your clamp up on the actual ram horn first before you try to put your boot on. Slide your boot on, but before you can even put this on your grid heater, if you're running a grid heater, it comes with these studs. They're rusty because I bought this used. But go ahead and get your 2, I don't know if you call them outside studs, your 2 shorter studs towards the front of the intake, or the inlet of the intake. Don't want to drop my nut. Two front ones are in. Go ahead and turn your intake if you put it on the way I did. And your 2 front studs should drop right into place. Should. Now you can go ahead and try to get your oversized man hands in there. That's when I wish my kids were home. Like, Bentley, go put this on for me. And he would think it's the coolest thing because he gets to help Dad. But go ahead, put your 2 front nuts on. Your rear studs. You get the point. We're going to go ahead and screw these in as far as they'll go, and then we'll tighten down the caps. And that'll hold the intake down, tighten down our boost clamp, I guess you'd call it, for the intake. And that's pretty much for the install. Move your oil dipstick over here to that bolt. Be right back. Pretty much it. After you get your studs all tightened down, all 4 of them, that back one, the one that's right under here, is a pain in the butt to get to because all this wiring and your fuel injectors. But make sure this is tight because you don't want your intake to blow off from the turbo. But there you have it, another install. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.